let me tell you a little bit more about the area and the place where we are in. So in particular, the place where we are staying now is called Mũi Ne. There are two words, Mui and Ne, Mũi Ne. As most of the words in Vietnamese, they are very short and usually they have two parts. And it's kind of a district of a bigger city, but you can find information on the internet that Mũi Ne is a fishing kind of coastal town, which is part of the bigger city that is called Phan Tiet. And this bigger city is belongs to another province. So if you can imagine that, there is a big province, it's called Binh Thuan, and in that Binh Thuan province there is a capital city which is called Phan Tiet. And in the Phan Tiet city you have Mũi Ne, which is kind of a town or a district that is part of capital city Phan Tiet. And so Mũi Ne is located only in the coastal side. So it's just a beach with palm trees, and it's famous for tourism. Because there are a lot of resorts. I've heard something like 200 different hotels or something like that. And it is also famous for sandy dunes. There is a lot of beautiful color sand here. It's not white and it's not brown or black, it's kind of beige color, very beautiful. And the water here is from Pacific Ocean. So this area was transferred into a resort and touristic area in 1990, and it became famous in 1995 because on 24th of October 1995, a lot of people came here to watch solar eclipse. And like in everywhere of southern Vietnam, the dry season starts at about in December and lasts till April. It's called dry season, so there is no rain or not much rain, but I would say that Mũi Ne is a little bit further north from Ho Chi Minh. It means that the temperature here is a bit lower than in Ho Chi Minh. In Ho Chi Minh, even right now, I would feel very hot sitting outside. Even in the shade, I would be very hot. Right now it's 29 degrees. But the weather is Mũi Ne is very windy in general, mostly in dry season. That's why it's very famous with surfing, kitesurfing, sailing and all the other water sports. The waves are very high here and the current is very strong, so it's not really comfortable if you want just a beach kind of time. You want to swim in the water, it might not be very comfortable, might be really dangerous because the current is very strong and the waves are very high, and it would be difficult to just find enough deep place in the water. Also, except for dunes and the beach and the ocean, Mui Ne is also like featuring that they are famous for this animal reptile that is called iguana, and they are actually, as Vietnamese do, they don't just enjoy watching those animals, they of course eat them, and it's very famous here. They even trying to popularize that they can cook iguana in 7 different dishes, and it's called iguana of seven different dishes. As sad as it sounds, it's just how it is here. The area is also famous for a lot of different activities, like leisure activities. For example, you can fly in a hot air balloon, you can go watch white sand dunes, it's called white sand dunes. You can watch some old towers, you can do fishing, you can go fishing, and actually fishing is quite famous here also because people catch like very large large fish. I'm not for fishing, I'm not fishing because I don't like killing any animals, so I would not enjoy fishing myself, but I know that many people do enjoy, so yes, you can come here and do it if you want. And also the thing of Mui Ne is kitesurfing or windsurfing or surfing, whatever, sailing in boats, because the wind is very strong, and you can go and do some water sport in the ocean. I enjoy Mui Ne a lot. Whenever we come here, it's my #1 destination. Whenever we come here, I enjoy being here very much because it's very peaceful. You can come to the beach and enjoy just watching the water, playing with the waves, and maybe watching people who are doing surfing, sunbathe, and maybe swim if there is an opportunity to swim in the water, or you can buy a ticket to a resort pool and spend a day at the resort, or if you are in a resort you just can enjoy the pool. At the same time, I would say that in terms of living here in Mũi Ne, I'm not sure if it's comfortable or not. It's on your choice, but I live in Ho Chi Minh, and I used to live in another province about 30 maybe kilometers away from Ho Chi Minh, and I need to say that it's for me it's more comfortable to live in Ho Chi Minh because I have access to in Ho Chi Minh I have access to a lot of different things. I can buy clothes in European shops. I can have medical support at international hospital if I need that. I can buy something big to my, if I need something for my house. And if you don't have a car or you don't drive a motorbike, I would say it would be impossible for you to live in Mũi Ne, because you must have a motorbike. Anywhere you go here in Mũi Ne, it takes at least 10 minutes by motorbike, by scooter. Maybe you can ride a bicycle, but as I say, Mũi Ne, it's like a narrow line along the coast, and wherever you want to go from point A to point B, it will take you more kilometers than if it would take you in Ho Chi Minh, because you would have to drive at least 10 minutes to get to, I don't know, nail salon, or to get to a restaurant, or to get to I'm not sure even how long it would take you to get to a hospital. I think it would take you a long time, but then you have to drive to Phan Tiet city. You cannot have this support in Mui Ne, or if you need a pharmacy, for example. Yes, there are pharmacies here in Mũi Ne, but you might not find the most about Mui Ne? The beach.
Of course.
And do you want to live here? Would you give up your life in Ho Chi Minh and come here? You would? Really? But what about the other things like we have in Ho Chi Minh, like big stores and restaurants?
You will have the highway